Hi, wanna know how to set custom ringtone on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12? So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and here look for a tab which is named sound and vibration. But before this, don't forget to download the custom ringtone that you would like to set. As a next step here, we would need to click on this square which is named ringtone, and after this we will get to the application which is giving you a lot of suggestions about your new ringtone. But we would need to find this button which is saying choose local ringtone. So click on it and here go to this tab which is named audio files. Here, as you can see, I got my audio file and we will need to select it by clicking on this empty circle on the right edge. After this, click OK, and as a next step on this tab ringtones, we would need to find the name of our ringtone that we have just selected. In my case, this is this one. Here we would need to click on this green button apply and click OK. And after this you can see that it has been applied successfully. So we can go back to the settings and make sure that we have our ringtone as this that you can see under this text ringtone. And let's also test it. I'll call myself from another phone and listen. And yes, this is the ringtone that I have selected before. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.